Hi everyone, Melissa from Fork and Plants here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing video from Thrive Market. I recently placed an order and wanted to show you all of the vegan products that I bought. And in case you're not familiar with Thrive, their mission is to make healthy living accessible and affordable for everyone. They're an online marketplace that offers a lot of non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, paleo, keto, all that good stuff. They have it organized so you can search by what you want, but they have all of those products available at 25 to 50% off of retail, so you can get a great deal there. What else? And for every paid membership, for every paid membership that they receive, they provide a free membership to a low-income family, a teacher, or a veteran. So by you purchasing a membership with them, you're also helping someone else in need, which I think is amazing. So before I get started and show you what I got, I want you to know that if you click the link below, it will get you 25% off of your first order. This only works if you haven't ordered through Thrive before. So if you haven't, click that link and get yourself a discount in addition to the amazing discounts they already have on their website. And with that link, you also get a free 30-day membership. So you can try it out, no strings attached, and see if it's for you. And if it's not, you can cancel at any time. But if you love it and you want to pay for a membership to continue it, just know that someone else in need is going to also get a membership, so it's a win-win. And let me show you what I got from my latest Thrive Market order. They always have a lot of free products. So if you place an order, usually you get a free gift with any purchase, and if you spend a certain amount, I think you get an additional sample. So something I got is this full spectrum hemp extract. Excited that this was the free gift with purchase, and it definitely persuaded me to get my order in more quickly so I would get that gift. And then we also got a free sample. This is an RMS Beauty. It's a makeup company, and it is a sample of their bronzer. I have a couple products from this company. They're all vegan, cruelty-free, natural, non-toxic, and I really like them. So that's why I chose this sample. There was like 10 to 12 that I could choose from. So we got that. Let's see, some other things I ordered. They had a great sale on Pan's mushroom jerky. I don't know if you guys have had this brand, but it is so freaking good. I had it for the first time at Expo, I believe, Expo last year. And then this year they had the whole rebranding, and it's so good. Super legit. It's made with mushrooms, but I know so many people that absolutely hate mushrooms, and I've made them try this jerky, and they think it's incredible. So there's that. And we also got this Tom Yum rice ramen. And I saw this, I think it was like 99 cents on, that was just the normal price, so I decided I would give it a try because it looks good. I love Tom Yum soup. So I don't have a microwave though, so we'll see. You can do it with boiling water. You just put boiling water into the line, recover it, wait 3 minutes. Perfect. Also have some Native Forest unsweetened coconut cream. To be honest, when I ordered this, I thought it was going to be a bigger can. This is just a little one, but I really love this brand. And something else that I love to do is buy these organic spices on Thrive Market. So you can buy a big pack of them, and then I just refill my spice jars. I'll add a photo in here if I can. I don't know if I can, but I have like a whole big spice rack. My mom works for a spice company. I come from a family of cooks, so we always have a lot of spices. And instead of buying new jars each time, which I think is kind of wasteful, I like to buy big packets like this when I can. Sometimes I'll go to the grocery store here called Sprouts. I'm sure other grocery stores have this, and they have like bulk spices, and I'll just take it and fill it up there too. But since I was ordering on Thrive and I needed cumin, I just ordered it. We also have some avocado oil. I don't like that they put everything in plastic. I guess it makes sense because if this were to leak, you don't want it to leak on everything. But I'll definitely reuse these. So we have this avocado oil spray. The only ingredient, you probably can't see it, but it's just avocado oil. It has no chemicals or propellants or any of the bad stuff that a lot of other sprays have. And I love this. I love using avocado oil. It has a high smoke point, so you can heat it a little bit hotter than say like olive oil, coconut oil, things like that. It's really great for cooking. And the spray is very convenient. And then we have my favorite, Four Sigmatic mushroom coffee. This stuff is so good. It just comes in a packet like this, and you just mix it with hot water. I usually make like a more involved latte with it. I mix this with hot water, and then I'll usually add coconut butter, cinnamon, maybe a little bit of ashwagandha, and then a little bit of non-dairy milk, and I make like a whole thing, and it's so good. So this has lion's mane and chaga in it, which are mushrooms, but I promise it tastes nothing like mushrooms. Good for boosting productivity, helping your brain. Mushrooms are also really good for immunity. There's just endless benefits to having mushrooms, especially in your coffee. Yeah, there's another coconut cream. I think they had like a 2 purchase minimum, which is why I got 2. And then anything really fragile comes wrapped in this paper. I believe it's a recycled paper. I don't remember everything I ordered, so it's really exciting opening these. Oh, coconut nectar. Okay, okay. So this is like maple syrup, but coconut. I love using coconut sugar in place of cane sugar, and this organic coconut nectar is just a very good sweetener, and I love using it to make my granola, which I'll put a little link below if you want to get that granola recipe. It's so freaking good. And we got another one like this. Oh, so this is organic coconut milk, also a 2 purchase minimum. So we have those. And you'll find on Thrive Market that the Thrive Market brands, they make a ton of products, and their stuff is a little bit cheaper than the other brands. So we got these fiery hot Pitos. I freaking love these. I did a giveaway with them last year. I discovered them at Expo West last year. They're just so freaking good. These taste like Flaming Hot Cheetos, but a healthier version, and vegan. The regular ones are not vegan. So they're made of pulses, which is pea flour, lentil flour, fava bean protein, pea fiber, there's some sunflower oil, rice, fiery hot seasoning, which is a few ingredients, and that's it. So no artificial flavors, no synthetic colors, non-GMO, gluten-free, no added MSG, and yeah, way better than the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. And they also say tigers live longer than cheetahs. So you go, Pitos. And then last but not least, we have some vegan rubs. I think this was also a 2 purchase minimum. So we got these cauliflower puffs. If you haven't had vegan rubs, they're so delicious. They make like jackfruit puffs, dragon's breath something, I don't know. They also have some chips, like they have Brussels sprout chips. They don't really taste like Brussels sprouts though. But their stuff is so good, and I highly recommend it if you haven't tried it. And that is all I placed in this order. I'll have to do more of these and show you guys more things because they have so much vegan stuff on Thrive. And gluten-free, like I said, paleo, keto, all that good stuff. And you can filter by what you want. So you can say, I only want to see all of the vegan products, and then you can sort by if you want like canned stuff or coffees or fake meats, chips. So you can really customize your search to what you're looking for to help narrow down your options, because there are a lot of things on there, which is great, but sometimes it can be overwhelming to filter through them. So here are some products that I got on there that I love. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, like it, thumbs up it, comment if you have any questions or anything to say, subscribe so you don't miss a video. Also, don't forget about the link below where you can get 25% off of your first purchase, just in case you missed that at the beginning of the video, and you also get a free 30-day membership that you can cancel at any time with that link. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Thanks for joining me.